Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while and I thought let me just cover this whole makeup video and share a long video with you guys because it's been really long. So today I'm going to do this makeup without using any of the brushes because if you would have seen in my stories today I washed all of my brushes. So I'm just going to use my hands to blend the whole makeup and I'll try not to use the brush. So the first thing is I've used this Lotus 10-in-1 Express Glow. It's like not exactly like foundation, more like a BB cream or something. It's very medium to low coverage, but I kind of like it on my skin and I've just blended it all on my face. As you can see, it's very easy to blend with your fingers, so you don't exactly need a brush for that, and it can be used on a regular basis, like for everyday look if you're just staying at home or doing Zoom meetings or maybe just stepping out a little, though we don't have to step out in lockdown. And now I'm moving on with an eyebrow pencil which I got from a local store. I don't even know the name of this pencil, but I loved it so much that I've been using it for the past few months. How I do my eyebrows is just line them first, like outline them from top and bottom, and then I'll just very lightly fill it in, like with really light hands, because I'm not a fan of dark heavy brows, and I've said that over and over again on my IG videos, on my stories, and any of my makeup videos. You would always find these lightly drawn, airbrush brows kind of look in my makeup videos. Yeah, so I'm doing my brows and then I'm gonna do my eyes because I planned a pink eyeshadow with a blue eyeliner, which I'm a fan of lately. But somehow while I was filming this video, I managed to not record the part while I was doing the pink eyeshadow and mascara, probably because Nia and Coco were running around. Coco, if you don't know, is our little dog. It's been a month since he's been at home and he's really cute and funny. You'll find his videos on my Instagram. So yeah, I told you I somehow couldn't record it. So yeah, I put on some pink eyeshadow and then I'm using a little bit of blusher, which is kind of peach, and also used it on my cheekbone as a highlighter. And this is the part which I recorded. Now how to use the blue eyeliner, I've also shared a reel on my Instagram using this blue eyeliner. The reason I like this eyeliner is because of its color, and I wasn't even sure if I was going to use it, but I ordered it and I tried it on for the first time without any makeup on my face and I just loved it. So here I've used it with like very little makeup. As you've seen, there's no foundation, there's no compact, nothing involved. I've just done my mascara, pink eyeshadow and this blue eyeliner, and it looks so bomb. Like I'm in love with it, totally in love with it. And yes, it takes a few steps to complete this thing, like just to even the eyeliner on both the eyes, I think is a task. I will just show you how the bottle looks like, and the texture is really good, and you can order it from Nykaa. That's where I ordered it from. Now I'm using a pink gloss from NYX Cosmetics, which has been my favorite for a long time. It's almost dried up now, but I can't get another one as of now, so I'm just using the old one. I know it's a bit old, but it's fine. It goes with the whole makeup look. And that's my final look, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye.